Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you what I literally use on my face every other day to look super duper young. Okay, so this ingredient is actually very affordable, simple, effective, and it glows your skin like mad. Yeah, it glows your skin like wow. Okay, so you are going to be loving it. Okay, now also know that homemade remedies like this are based on consistency. Okay, so if you're going to be using this, you have to give it a little time and be a little consistent, and your results will be so amazing. All right, so let me take you right into this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe and share. And now let's go. So I'm actually going to be showing you what I use on my face that I look really supple and really glowing. Okay, my baby is talking at the background, so you guys should say hello to her. Okay guys, so we're gonna be using avocado. We're gonna be needing to use avocado, and avocado contains lactic acid, and it also helps to smoothen out the skin. It contains vitamin E, and it's also a great and natural homemade remedy that helps so much to make you look super duper young. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be cutting this avocado into two. And this is how it looks like. I'm actually going to be using one piece of this avocado, yeah, for this remedy. So scraping it all out, I'm going to make sure that it gets smooth by mashing it. So I'm going to be mashing it to mix it really well so it could be smooth. And yeah guys, this is very smooth now. Alright guys, so the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be carrot. Now carrot actually helps because it contains vitamin A. The skin needs vitamin A to glow, and it also helps to make you look young by reducing the size and the appearances of age-related problems such as fine lines. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be peeling it. Now after peeling this, now I would have to be grating it. So I'm gonna be grating it. And yeah guys, if you have a small blender, you can actually just blend yours. Okay, for me right now I don't have a small blender, that's why I'm actually grating it. So since I created it, I'm going to be putting just a little bit of water, and then so I can get the carrot juice. Basically I just need the carrot juice. Okay, so after sieving that or stirring that, then I will have to be sieving it out, and then I'll turn it into the avocado, and then give it a nice stir. Stir it really well so So after mixing this, then I would have to be grabbing the next ingredient, which is milk. Now with the lactic acid contains a milk, and with the vitamin E, it will therefore increase the skin elasticity, and that is what has actually been helping me so much to maintain my complexion. And milk is a natural skin moisturizing agent. Yeah, so now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be scooping about 2 tablespoons of this milk, or just practically just putting everything. That's going to be about 3 tablespoons. Now I'm actually measuring it so I can get all of the measurements being accurate, okay, so that it won't be too much or too little. And this is how the consistency is right now. Now the next ingredient, which is going to be very important, is going to be vitamin E capsule. Yeah, so vitamin E capsule is very great for the skin. It increases the skin texture, it makes the skin really thick, and it also helps to smoothen out the skin. It leaves a good amount of oil on the skin. That is why this is actually very needed. Yeah, so I'm going to be bringing in the treatment, and I'll have to be cutting in just one of this capsule, and then I'm going to be pressing that in. Okay, I'll have to return some because we do not need too much of oil. Okay, so 1 capsule of the vitamin E is perfect, and this is a great mixture. Okay, to make it even better, you're going to be making use of rice. Now rice is an unbelievable remedy that helps to smoothen out the skin. It makes the skin look really smooth and supple, and it also helps to make you look really young. Yeah, so I'm actually going to be putting in just 1 teaspoon of that, and basically that's what we want. We don't need too much of that particular one. Yeah, so I'm going to be giving this a stir. And this is a great remedy, guys. This actually helps so much for the skin. So let's go apply it, and let me tell you all of the do's and don'ts in this treatment. Okay guys, so this is what I use on my face to make me look years younger. And what you do is that after you've put it inside your refrigerator, then you give it a stir just like this, and it feels really good, really good. Oh my god, it's really so chill. And this is how it looks like. Yeah, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so after you've applied it generously onto your face, then you have to give it a little mild scrub. A little mild scrub. And this is good. Oh my goodness, I'm loving it. Okay, so after you do that, then you can actually leave it on for a little long while. So the thing is that when you want to leave this natural home remedy on your face, you have to make sure that the coating is much, so that it just get into your skin, it just dries into your skin. Yep. So you coat it really well. and there you go. Okay, so after that, after doing that, then you can actually go wash it out. Okay, but you have to wait for about 4 to 5 minutes before washing this out. When you wash it out, you're going to see that your skin is going to be looking super duper young. Okay, so just hold on, let me come back and I'll show you how my skin is looking so supple and soft. So this is how my skin is looking like. Oh my god, yeah, it leaves this oil on your face that is actually not too much, but just enough to moisturize your skin, and it makes your skin so soft. And by that doing, you are going to begin to look super duper duper young. Okay, so that's it. So that's it. This anti-aging remedy is so nice, and the smell is wonderful. Okay, so just do this and apply it just like I've told you in the video, and you're gonna be loving it, guys. It's so effective, and you have to also give it time to work. Alright, so if you did enjoy watching this video, please thumbs up and share, and I will see you soon. Bye guys, and